Molweni bahlobo bam, igama lam ngu-Inga Dingana. Hello friends, my name is Inga Dingana, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to introduce yourselves. If someone says to you, Ngubani igama lakho, they are saying, what is your name? Ngubani means who is, and igama means name. Lakho means your. So, what is your name, or what your name is? Yeah. So, never mind that. Just know that Ngubani igama lakho means what is your name. Ngubani igama lakho. Someone else might say Ungubani, which means who are you, like they do in Black Panther. Ungubani, who are you? And the response is Ndingu, which means I am. Or you could say igama lam ngu, which means my name is. So if I'm telling you my name, I'll say igama lam ngu Inga. And yeah, you can tell me your name. Ngubani igama lakho. Alright, nice to meet you. I'll teach you that phrase next time. Cheers.